Like yes, obi enu a oni obi bo ludwa. I mean, enkoye den enkomo no beba. Normal. Kwabena betumi ni obi abo ludwa na game a munkasa obi amuna. Come on.
For I'll say, although intimacy is not all about being physical with one another,
Good.
It certainly does not hurt to indulge often. Touching one another gives emotional intimacy the chance to be turned into something physical and real, because sometimes feelings and words are just not enough.
Good. Kwabena, that is it. And I didn't talk about the sena walking, touching once. No, I really dealt into the issue. Said this is what you have to do. Some no is so year for obi, and yes, our brain you ever touch. No, be there. No. This is not the time. It's so year for the man.
It's what in the store on your mouth.
Is it the time I will touch? No, be there for the person. But I said, be there for the person. Love the person. Commitment in the account was a intimacy. Now many people who say, hey, when it got to that level, I had nobody around me. I brand with the Gina Mame, a Baba when and Gina Mechi. This is what you are talking about. The intimacy now, I'm a phone and touching in the Kwabena, a book nechi, how the about kind of chili. It is not part of any topic in no.
Right. Kobe said, I like the fat side, it makes them look healthy and beautiful. Your counselor is too emotional.
That is it. You need to tell the truth. You need to. And you're emotional, but this is what is helping some of us. It is a many opportunity to say, I need to tell people what is keeping us on that level. This is what we are doing.
Right. Nana Kwasi, that say one thing killing a lot of relationship is secrecy. Most youth of today do things and still complain about the dying state of their relationship. I don't understand. Me, was it one thing killing a lot of relationship is secrecy? Most youths of today do things and still complain about the dying state of their relationship. Because I think you have to come again. I don't understand this message.
No, person chipping BB. Also, there no shame. We don't want to put words in his mouth.
Right. Nana says, Kwabena, I've been fighting when I'm alone. By the time I go close to my guy, I force myself to do it, but it doesn't come. The way this feeling hates me, Nanajwa.
Kwabena, what's that? You be a keys. You think people are? We are human beings.
Oh, gosh, I'm out.
Kwabena, Kwabena, we are really. And I'm kind. This is I am a human. Honestly, a nipa. This is what onyaya. Intimacy na can onyan ruho. What I say? Opposite. The person gets to know them. No, share. And you're touching us them. No.
Okay, Nana Kwasi say keeping secret is killing relationship. That's what I mean. Okay, I think the counselor can say you Nico and say oh yes secret. Me per say yama college mbre munafe obi so yama nkofo so nche o ma drink kakra. Wo de na te say wo feel say nyoma bi wo ho no ma wonye a Nana and the counselor Kenya then so na wosunya edi efrim. But you wait me for 0554 820910 0554 820910 MTN and our Vodafone is 0201944485. Nkofo ni jitan ho pa I just adding I say 0554 820910 me who message you amen kan I say Obi green light aso
and one
Obi green light aso 0554 820910 0554 8201 and our Vodafone 0201944485. First caller, your first work as a friend. Daddy.
Good morning.
Good morning. Your first day. Iman work as a friend. When she what trick me pan because I Mr. Nani and time say daddy no. If I join with you.
Made a counselor say because and then I can't agree and me now say and agree. But I did not could be chairman so me say counselor I can have them now me who send MSC ne bobber.
Okay.
Me be a DT for so long and I'm say I will be and those days no they are there. Me no a relationship very peaceful. But since I call on them, it seems like Obani reacted to say, me me penny be something like I say like in front of say hardship kakaba. And I say no expect to say a bit free me wabano and said I'm a bit so or feel say me and ya be a penny biome sick of Akolana Bemu. And of course those days nana Akolana Bemu she say and me who say I make an cry.
Uni bibi my magic counselor Adwuma Nyamano. Me pacho say na aya onu complaining then am so akaje no.
Only your me say can or expecting much from me, but I can say mention mejuma a flop kakra near my stabby, but you see I NTB to no feel say I may try and say me that down.
Okay.
So, because you see I'm a man and I mean in chain. If you send on or expect to say the free no haban and shada and what to say you no expecting. As you see I may or request for divorce cry.
Hey, actually, only counselor added number 2 your own.
Okay.
No, I pick no friend on any thing. Come on, I think say with the you need to have a long conversation. Why? Okay. All right. Bye bye. So yeah, that's it. Over to my friend 0554-820910 0554-820910. These issues of Adwuma saying break up there. It is on way.
Brenda me kan wase me ne uma me da last year na me kan wase.
So we for that kind of system is your fan kan wase there.
Come na just na hona na me person me do say listen. So utie me na utie me. Please, if don't use this opportunity say oba Adwuma say bema Adwuma say, and then you use it as a platform to make it like he's nobody or she is nobody. Come na eyade bako it is killing stress bako eno ne saade no depression bako ene saade no. I mean me straight here for where they go to jogu form. Come I know what I'm talking about. It mesre se wo ku Adwuma say se wo yere Adwuma say ekofom onya kwadwofo oba no obo ne homoden pa but bibi na asi yehwe edwom wo ye maame no mo ewodwa na chi atorenchem kese sei kwabna it is never their fault. Me srew se wo tie mi a never use this opportunity to let it be like she was nobody or she is nobody or he is nobody. Kwabna tables and the table can turn anytime. Whatever goes around comes around. I am having series of calls and I know also didn't the atoso. Say this is not an opportunity. This is the time. And this is the time the person might need you around. Say a penny, the two of you are spending it together. For it to be like, oh, when I went through this, as soon as I saw me, as soon as I cry me, please, Kwabena, me see the table can turn anytime, anywhere. It is when your opportunity, and I say, never use Adwuma sem, ana abra na hoka for na bibisa atono yaremu that kind of sit. No, that is the time that the person needs you very well. Cause now me menya concerning some of these things. No, Kwabena, I am ne bro ma dwene me tiase so. Say really, time and your mom yet deno. No, yes. Nena, yes. But Anna on Sani Pano, yes, Anna Yami Peso Chen is a me Peso Hunipa was so anything. That is what a money bin him. That is what a man money bin him. So, or Bofom Kakra. I am a peso as a bitch and say, me Pesa me ma Hunipa on anything. Because, Kwabena, me knew me and you. Yaso Peso how was Oyere that you obey, I actually was. If you don't know, if you want to know how the future will be, so we are now the Pema, so we Adwuma sem eko forma. No, and I say, a honor be say, so, Mary, in the next 50 years, would she be able to stay with me? Nenanum pono, and wojani, at that time na, magogo no mumu, and obeja was no parking. It's yana yame peso boko kokacho say, hey, Cratchy, and your mamu yet dia. This is how your wife is going to be. And your mom dia. This is how your husband is going to be. If you have something doing, do it. And then I want to bounce back church or will no. Kwabena say be January be Brahma forever and ever.
Forever.
I can radio. You say my no wood ya. We on me wasi.
Says me na sana past and gardens here na
Yeah.
na sports studio no so dia and I Fabio card. This I know me answer. And GBC for land na.
Sad down.
Maybe I be for no. And so yeah. It's why really they are mine forever.
It's that is my I never see my camera senpai by escaping me. I thank the guy very well. Like why are they pa? You know, very hurting. See some of the stories who's a rant name about what when you be film just because Adwuma say. Kwabena now think you have her, you have him. Kwabena, Mr. Etie phone tie me no muntie ni pa. Kwabena the number, mami fan to your
necessary.
0246 272 392 0246 272 392. I think you bet me a ding come on.
Right. Kobe, I try last part, counselor last party, Honomai. Why? Honomai and I find you for 2 man coffee. Why? Side now. Your coffee. I try about. I'm here not done with the beans near there. I can see a fine. You call a friend, Jenny, me jump on board.